Hi, learn opposite. Opposite means that two things differ from each other in such a way as to indicate a definite kind of relationship. Big, small, big opposite, small, tall, short, tall opposite, short, laugh, cry, laugh opposite, cry, hot, cold, hot opposite, cold, in, out, in opposite, out, near, far, near opposite, far, beautiful, ugly, beautiful opposite, ugly, full, empty, full opposite, empty, young, old, young opposite, old, above, under, above opposite, under, clean, dirty, clean opposite, dirty, open, close, open opposite, close, active, lazy, active opposite, lazy, day, night, day opposite, night, on, off, on opposite, off, happy, sad, happy opposite, sad.
Thank you for watching.